Hello everyone, my name is Mubashir Hussain and you are watching me on the YouTube channel SHEENmeem. In today's lecture, you will learn about how to create a navigation menu on Go High Level Funnel Builder. For this purpose, I am adding a full width section. Let's take it to the upward and first column, one column row. And now here is our navigation menu element. Click on here and there are three options. One is for logo, second is logo name, which we can say heading, and other are navigation menus buttons. So you have the option to disable the logo and also disable the heading in the menu. So it's up to you. You can customize it on your own. So let's add our logo and let's say here is our logo. I am removing its height width and adding it to custom 250 width. And I want to hide the business name headline in menu. Now I have to create the navigation menu buttons. First of all, I have to add some spacing in them. I am adding a spacing of 20 px between the elements between the buttons, and to edit these buttons you will have to go in menu items and click on edit, and you can see you can change these buttons. For example, I can change it to services, and it can go to a specific funnel step, or it can also open the pop-up, or you can redirect it to the website URL. And what you want when someone clicks on that button, it should open in a new window or it should open in current window. So this button, if you disable it, it will open in the current window. So just submit it and you can see it is added. To add subcategory, let's add in a subcategory submenu. Okay, so I want to go to this step, and this step is practice page. Submenu is added, and I have to make it a submenu. For this purpose, I will make it to go to slightly right and then upward. You can see slightly right and then upward, and it is added as a submenu. And when we see, you can see here that it is added as a submenu. And all other things are same like the previous lectures. You can also set URL on your logo, and it can also redirect in a new tab or in current window. Let's see its mobile version. So in mobile versions, our menu buttons are changed into icon. So for editing this icon, you can select icon from here. Let's say yes. You can for now these are bars, but you can for example say menu. Let's say menu, and see there are many options available. So let's leave it as bars, and to change its size you will have to change the mobile font size. See, I recommend you should add it 25 px, but you can change it by your own choice. Yes, and now let's talk about colors. In colors, you can see hover text color. So hover text color means you hover text headline. So if I change it to the red, you can see it is changing for the headlines. But you can also change its background. Let's change it to blue and see it is changing for the headlines. Now for the drop down, we will go to the advanced section. In advanced section, we have option of drop down options, and we can add its spacing and also change its background color, text color and hover color. So see, let's see what it do. So for the background color, it has some fixed background color, not for the hover, and color is for hover. Sorry, text color. So changing the text color to, let's say, purple, and see it is on hover it is black, but when we hover on it, it is black. So these were some things to discuss about Go High Level navigation menu element. If you have any confusion about any element or any topic on the Go High Level, you can ask me on the channel in the comment section, and I will surely reply to you. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification for the latest updates. Thank you.